All right, man. It looks like it did it again. Okay. Now, y'all remember I told y'all about the thumbnail, making thumbnails in Gemini and ChatGPT and stuff like that with Nano Banana. So it seems as though this thing is just so superior, bro. Take a look. I can't even talk, bro. Now y'all see this, right? Okay. Let me enlarge the screen a little bit more for y'all. So y'all seeing this, right? Y'all watching this, right? So all right. So as y'all can see, I pretty much I made a YouTube video titled "Well, I'm back on YouTube," right? And I said use this reference image, okay? I just picked an image from the video. I screenshotted it and I said, give me a convincing, iconic YouTube thumbnail for this YouTube video and include a unique text phrase in bold and large so it stands out in the thumbnail titled, "Well, I'm back on YouTube." That's what I told it to do. I let it do its nano banana thing. It's thinking for a minute. And this is what it came out with. Look at this thumbnail. Y'all see this, right? Look at this thing. Look at this thumbnail. I went from this thumbnail, right? Pretty cool. Got neon, RGB in the back, lighted up keyboard, iconic setup that I have, right? I went from that to this, and I just gave it a prompt. I didn't even do anything Photoshop. I could have did this Photoshop. It would have took me like a good 35-45 minutes just to do. But whoa, this is absolutely, it made my face, still my face. It just made me smile, put me fatter. No diddy. The comeback begins. Well, I'm back on YouTube. Look at this. This is perfect. This screams YouTube. Bro, AI is insane. And I know I'm getting older and I'm like, damn, I'm just like now realizing how great AI is. But like, what did I just do? Now I'm about to make this my thumbnail for my video. This was my thumbnail right here. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but right here was my thumbnail. This was my thumbnail, just talking in the car. And now I'm about to make the thumbnail look like this. If you are a YouTuber, it looks like I gotta, change the file size a little bit. But if you are a YouTuber and you are not doing this, I don't know what to say. Like, even if you are a small YouTuber creator, you're not doing this. Like, what are you doing? Seriously, man. That is pretty much it for this video. I wanted to bring that to y'all attention just because things like this don't come around often. Like, this is easy. This makes our game, this makes YouTube for us making videos, content, it makes it a lot faster and it makes it easier for us, which is great. That's pretty much it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next, man. That's pretty much it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. I'm out. And that being said, that's it for this video. Let's get it. YouTube 2021.